Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to check out a new 2022 Galeon 485 HTS. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's 44 feet overall, has a beam of 12 foot 10 inch, and a dry weight of about 27,400 pounds. Beginning here on the swim platform, you see you have natural teak that runs all the way through the cockpit and all the way into the Salon. One thing about Galeon is they do all the teak in-house. They're very vertically integrated. All the stainless is done in-house. They have complete control over the processes. Another great feature on the swim platform is all the storage you have. So this compartment opens up and goes all the way forward. You can put all your beach gear, you can put surfboards, paddle boards, whatever you like to get all the clutter out of the boat. Well, now we'll step into the cabin and check it out. So now we're in the Salon of the Galeon 425. First thing you notice is you have a great L-shaped seating area with a nice table that lowers, that has a filler cushion. You notice glass all the way around, gives it a great open look. Right now we've got the sunroof open, getting a great breeze through. You have your TV over on the port side, a nice prep area with sink, refrigerator as well. As we move over to the helm area, we're going to flip up bolster. Everything's nice and clean. Your toggle switches on the dash, Volvo Penta display, your Raymarine display. This boat has the IPS system, so you have your joystick controls here, as well as your digital throttle and your zip weight. Well, now we're going to go down below and check out more of the Galeon 425. So now in the galley area, you have a really nice clean galley. Cooktop, refrigerator. Your power panel is very conveniently located right as you come down the stairs. And one of the things you'll notice most about Galeon is the quality of the woodwork. It is truly unsurpassed throughout the boat. As you move forward to the V-berth, you have your VIP head compartment over on the port side. And then in the V-berth itself, it's very well appointed. The shades open up so you can bring in the night sky or the daylight if desired or closed. You have lights at the head of the bed. You have 12 volt. You have your electrical connections. Also, your thermostat is located up there, so you can keep the climate control the way you like it. So now we're in the full beam master of the Galeon 425 HTS. So you notice on each side you've got great storage. You have a TV as well at the foot of the bed, more storage beneath the TV. As we check out the profile of the Galeon 425, you'll notice the stainless steel, the quality of it, the quality of the welds, and just the overall design. You've got the screens up, keep the sun out this time of year. We have chase lounges that go in the bow for when you want to get out in the sun. You have your windlass and spotlight all the way forward. Just a really great, versatile boat from Galeon. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.